think it's a crocodile? How are you doing something else and you really have no clue? This is a North American alligator. We have two types of alligators. We have North American alligators, and then we have Chinese alligators. This is a North American. There's two really easy ways to tell the difference between alligators and crocodiles. Does anyone know how to tell the difference? Do you know? How did you know that? That's the perfect answer. That's actually why we're here today. I'm trying to encourage you guys to read. So you see how much knowledge you can learn about these animals just by picking up a book and reading. Which you're exactly right. Those are the two easiest ways to tell the difference between alligator and crocodile. When we look at their mouth, when we look at an alligator's mouth, when they have their mouth closed, we can only see their top row of teeth. The reason for that is because alligators have little clips in the top of their jaw. When he closes his mouth, his bottom teeth fit into the hole, so we can only see his top teeth. Crocodiles do not have those holes. So when they close their mouth, their teeth overlap on the outside of their mouth. So this is like crocodiles, you have those teeth coming at the